In the cutting-edge world of technology, 3D printing stands out as a remarkable innovation. Sleek and modern, a 3D printer hums quietly in a corner, its print head methodically extruding melted filament. Thin layers of material are deposited onto the build plate with precision, and these layers fuse seamlessly together, forming strong, solid structures. Each motion of the printer's nozzle is guided by a digital blueprint, and objects start taking shape. As the process continues, intricate patterns and fine details emerge, showcasing the printer's exceptional capabilities. One of the most significant applications of 3D printing is the creation of functional prototypes. Imagine a 3D printed prototype of a car engine part. Engineers can test the fit and function of this part before committing to full-scale production. This ability to create and test prototypes on-site significantly reduces development time and associated costs, increasing efficiency in the manufacturing process. Functional prototypes are not just limited to the automotive industry, but find relevance in various sectors, accelerating innovation. The medical field has also embraced 3D printing for highly specialized purposes. Surgeons can work with 3D printed replicas of human organs for pre-surgical planning. These models, created based on patients' CT scans, offer a detailed visualization of complex cases, allowing surgical teams to prepare more thoroughly. By better understanding the intricacies of a patient's anatomy, surgeons can plan and execute operations with greater precision, leading to improved outcomes and minimizing risks during surgery. Artists, always on the lookout for new mediums, find 3D printing an exciting avenue for creative expression. Through this technology, they can produce complex geometric sculptures and experiment with forms and structures that are challenging to achieve using traditional methods. The freedom to design without the constraints of conventional tools opens up endless possibilities in artistic creation, allowing artists to push the boundaries of their craft and explore uncharted territories. 3D printing also proves invaluable in the creation of custom tools. For instance, a 3D printed wrench customized for a unique bolt shape can be produced on-site. This not only saves time for workers who need specialized equipment, but also offers a practical solution for tasks requiring highly specific tools. The ability to generate custom tools on demand enhances efficiency and flexibility in various industries, from construction to manufacturing. In the educational sphere, 3D printing is a powerful tool for visualization. A 3D printed model of a molecule can transform the way students understand chemistry by bringing atomic structures and bonding into tangible, three-dimensional space. Educational models help students grasp complex concepts by offering hands-on learning experiences. This technology not only aids in comprehension, but also sparks curiosity and engagement, making learning more interactive and effective. The wonders of 3D printing are boundless. From functional prototypes to artistic sculptures, medical models, custom tools, and educational aids, each application highlights the versatility and transformative potential of this technology. As 3D printing continues to evolve, it promises to revolutionize various fields, enabling innovation, creativity, and efficiency at unprecedented levels. Whether in a high-tech lab, an artist's studio, a classroom, or an operating room, 3D printing is shaping the future, one layer at a time.